Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Deepu the Dev. And today we are discussing about the hot topic of the market. Will AI replace the developers? Here is the reality for the students. And we have all experienced and seen the posts like AI will replace developers, coding is dead, don't learn programming in 2026. And if you are a student learning web development right now, that is scary. So let's ask the real question. Is learning web development today just a slow walk into a dead end? The short answer is no. Web development is not dead, not even close, but it is changing. And understanding that change is everything. What AI can actually do? Let's be honest, AI is powerful. It can generate code faster than any human can type, create UI components, write backend functions, even build an entire project. That's impressive, but here's what AI cannot do. It doesn't know what to build unless you tell it. It doesn't understand your business logic. It has zero architectural vision. It doesn't think about scalability like an experienced developer. It follows instructions. That's it. The big reality students must understand is if you don't understand what front end is, what back end does, and how database works and how API connect everything, then you won't even know what to ask AI. You can't command a tool if you don't understand the craft. And that's the real shift happening right now. AI is not replacing developers, it's amplifying skilled developers. It's a force multiplier. Then, what is actually happening in the job market? Are jobs disappearing? No, not exactly. But basic repetitive tasks are being automated using the AI. But companies are not firing developers, they are raising the standards. Today, a developer is expected to be a logical thinker, a problem solver, someone who understands system, someone who use AI efficiently, someone who can build scalable architecture. The focus has shifted from typing to thinking, and this is the most important sentence in the entire video. And that is the real battle is not between AI versus humans, and it's developers who use AI versus developers who don't. And the gap between these two groups will be massive. Think of AI like AI can generate bricks very fast, but you are the architect. You understand how front end connects to back end, how back end talks to the database, how authentication works, how scaling works, why the system crashed. Then something breaks, and it always does. AI won't truly understand the messy business logic. You will. And in real companies, solving messy problems is infinitely more valuable than typing code quickly. Architecture is irreplaceable, vision is irreplaceable. So, what should students do? Here is your roadmap. Master the fundamentals like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and move to modern tools React, Node.js, MongoDB, or SQL. Learn deployment, push your projects live, make them real. Use AI, don't avoid it. Let it help you debug, let it speed you up, let it teach you, but never let it replace your thinking. Build real projects, that's where learning happen. And the final truth is web development is not dying, it's leveling up. And honestly, there has never been a more exciting time to learn. But now you don't just learn to code, you learn to build with superpowers. Technology will keep changing, but strong fundamentals plus problem solving skills, that will always valuable. If you want to learn along with me, I'm planning a beginner friendly videos on all these technologies in a simple and practical way. If this helped you, share it with your friends who are confused about AI. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching till now and have a nice day.